Hello, August. Good morning. Morning blessings. 2 boxes of grapes, guys, from the Royal Farm. This is organic grapes. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. We open. I will show you. Now, guys. Inside. Tingnan ninyo guys, ang laman. Ang laman. Wow, assorted inside guys, assorted. Ang laman ng grapes. Ang sarap nito guys. Mayroong green sa ilalim din, no? Sa isang box assorted ang laman. Very yummy guys, very delicious. This is organic grapes from the Royal Farm guys. Sa mga mayayaman lang ito guys, no? VIP ito ang nagbigay kay Amo. Gift niya kay Amo. First day of August. This is the morning blessings. 2 boxes of grapes. So tasty and delicious. And the other box. The same guys. Sa isang box assorted. Ang laman niya guys. So yummy. Salamat sa blessings. Makakain na naman tayo nito ng organic grapes from the Royal Farm guys. Guys, 2 box. 1, 2. Alam na this guys. Ang logo guys, tingnan mo. Yan. VIP ito guys, nagbigay hinatid ito ng niya. Ng bodyguard. First day of August blessings. Organic grapes from the Royal Farm. Amazing, I love it. Ang sarap-sarap nito guys. Kasi palagi siya dito nagbigay sa amo ko ng gift na ganito guys. Okay guys, love you all.